Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage passive income with Google, complete guide step by step clearly. To effectively manage passive income using Google, start by understanding what passive income means. Research different passive income streams available online. One popular option is affiliate marketing through Google Ads. Create a niche website or blog tailored to a specific audience. Use Google Keyword Planner to identify high-traffic keywords related to your niche. Develop high-quality content that incorporates these keywords naturally. Next, sign up for relevant affiliate programs that align with your content. Once you have content and affiliate links, promote your blog through Google Search Console. Optimize your site's SEO to improve search engine rankings and attract organic traffic. Consider utilizing Google AdSense to monetize your website further. Apply for an AdSense account and integrate ads into your content. Ensure the ads complement your content and do not disrupt user experience. Monitor your website's performance using Google Analytics. This tool provides insights into user behavior and traffic sources. Regularly analyze which content generates the most income. Adapt your strategy based on this data to focus on the most profitable avenues. Explore creating digital products, such as ebooks or online courses. Host these products on your website and promote them using Google Ads. Utilize Google's tools to track and analyze the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns. Experiment with different ad formats and strategies to find what works best for you. Stay informed about updates in Google's policies and algorithms. This knowledge will help you maintain compliance and optimize your income strategy. Engage with your audience through comments sections and social media. Building a relationship with your audience can lead to increased loyalty and traffic. Finally, be patient and persistent. Passive income takes time to build and requires ongoing effort to maintain. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.